Hi, hello everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. For those who have subscribed to Manuscripts Lifestyle, we love you all and thanks for being part of us. Today we are going to be looking at something that is basically unique and something that is wonderful, and that is in graphics. Are you a designer who is looking at having something done in a shorter time without wasting time? Let me say, if you happen to want to design a business card, okay, you can happen to type in, maybe you visit your Google Chrome or any browser that you happen to be using, and you search for business cards, because you already know what business cards are. We assume you already know what business cards are, and this also applies to those people who want to be designed for. Okay, so if at all you want to have a wonderful design, it is better to go to a designer, to go to someone with at least you having an idea of what you want. You can type into Google and you say business cards, then the number of things that show up, and basically what do we need? We need images of what we are looking for. We are looking for a business card. Now we happen to click here on the images. Then when we click on the images, are you seeing all of these ones are business cards? Okay, are you seeing all of these are basically business cards? Okay, there, let us try to see double-sided and single-sided. When we talk of business cards and we talk of double-sided and single-sided, like double-sided are the ones that have the front and the back. Like this one, it is like showing you, if this is the front, this one here is the front, then this is the back. So if this is the front, then this is the back. Are you seeing them? Then there are those that are basically single-sided. So basically, those are cards that you find like this one. Everything is on the front side, so you don't have the back side. So if at all I want to design a business card, then I can come here, look through them, because as a graphics designer, I have to be updated. So I come to you having nothing, having no any idea, apart from maybe thinking of I saw someone with a business card, I do also want a business card. So then you have to design for me something that is pretty, something that is good looking. So you can browse around and see, just look through them. So you pick up any idea, then from that idea you develop up something, because you are not going to create something that is incredibly new. No, because almost everything that we happen to think of was already created. But when you look at these cards, you can end up combining the different ideas. When we happen to look at this, are you seeing this? This is good, but this is a combination of ideas. So are you seeing? So now, besides looking at these different ideas, whether you're a designer or you're that someone who is looking for business, who is looking for a designer to design for you, because this designer may ask you, do you have any idea of what you want? Yes, you know the information that should be included. Some business cards have images like this one, but some have no. Are you getting it? Now, if you happen to look at this one, it has no any image. So far, if we happen to look at business cards within these examples that we are having, business cards that are basically having images are few. Are you seeing? If we try to go around, how many are having images on them? Are you seeing? So, whether they are few, whether they are many, that does not mean that you don't have to put them there. So if at all you want it there, if it will make your business card look wonderful, then put it there. Then another thing, most of the business cards are landscape. For you may decide to create a portrait one. That is not also wrong, so long as you play around with the sizes and make sure a business card, it's impact is to put it in a wallet, give it to someone, at his comfort, because if you make it a little bit more bigger, then someone won't be able to put it in the wallet, someone will find it inconveniencing, someone will find it bulky. So you have to like keep it simple. Okay, then besides this, yes, this can make you like design something that is a little bit with a speed, okay, something where you have some idea. But then there is also another site that I can refer you to, that is FreePick. If we happen to go here, then we go to FreePick and then we click enter. So this offers free designs. It offers both premium and the free version. So with the free versions, you can play around with them without even signing up to their website, or even not like subscribing for the premium version of the website. So you can become a member and download unlimited downloads with this. So what is it having? It is having vectors, it is having illustrations, it is having mockups, it is having templates, it is having photos, it is having fonts, text, effects. So basically it is having a number of stuff that you can end up using. And say, let me look for business cards. So you type in what you want. Business cards. So the moment I put in and search, okay, are you seeing all of these are basically business cards? All of them are business cards, whereby if I happen to download any of them, I just insert in my information. Maybe try to redesign them, try to combine. I may download 3, then I try to play around with them. Then after going to the website as it is reflecting here, you have seen the steps. Now what do you want? Do you want that business card in a photo format? Do you want it in a PSD format, icons, or vector format? With vector format, it means that you are going to use Illustrator to work on it. With photo format, basically you want to just show it to someone. With PSD, we concentrate on these 3. With PSD, you're basically going to be using Photoshop to design it. So if I want a business card or business cards whereby I'm going to edit them with Illustrator, I just click vector. Then if I'm ready to pay for the premium ones, or if I subscribed, then I can click here to go for the premium ones. But here I haven't subscribed, then I didn't subscribe, I'm not looking for the premium one, so I want the free versions. So then I click there. So those are like filters. Then after getting those filters, now I move around. All these are basically free. Okay, all of these ones are free. So you slope and slope and slope up to down. You can even click and go to the next one. So now if I click this, after clicking that, so I've chosen this one, then I click download. Then this pops up, pops and goes down, then I click on it, just like that. If you happen to install a downloader, it will pop up here, but we didn't install any downloader, so it downloads here in our browser. Then after there, what is it called? It is called Abstract Business Card. So after there, we can click open. So it opens when it is done. But now let us pass here. We click there and go to downloads. So within the downloads, it is this one here. Then I right click and say extract here. So the files are extracted and placed just here, as simple as that. So if I happen to refresh this, so these are the files. Okay, then I right click and open with Illustrator CC19. So now the moment I click that, it opens up in my software. So it is going to be opening up here. My computer is a little bit slow. So basically the rate at which it opens, it basically, because the fonts that were used are missing, let me just say close. It just opens up. So the rate at which it opens basically depends on the strength of your computer. Then now I insert in the images. So maybe in the next videos, if you continue, if you like subscribe to our channel and you continue watching our videos, we shall be showing you on how we could use these templates. If at all you don't know how to use them, we are like studying of graphics. We are going to learn how to use them, when to use them, how do we insert pictures, how do we download them and make sure that they create impact on our videos. So thanks for watching. I love you all. Remember to subscribe, give a like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. We love you.